Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this simple and quick video, I will show you how to buy USDT on crypto.com. So to buy USDT on crypto.com, open up your crypto.com application, then click on buy. So once you click on buy in the tokens list, tap on USDT. Now when you tap on USDT, input the amount of money you want to use to buy. So for this case, I'll spend $25 to buy USDT. As you can see, I'll be receiving 24 USDT. So I'll click on next, or I'll tap on next. So once I tap on next over here, it will then load up this page. As you can see, I'm buying USDT and the network fee is $4. So you can input your email over here. So once you input your email, click on continue, and then you'll be redirected to a page whereby you need to put in your verification code from your email and then proceed to pay. And that's how simple it is, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.